factors of affecting the physical fitness. That is, first you have got heredity. Heredity, as you have studied in your lower classes, that is, heredity means carrying the traits from your parents to the offspring. So the characters that are passed from parents to the children are specifically known as heredity, and individuals' endurance, speed, liking for any activity naturally comes from the heredity. That is, if the parent is good in sports, games, etc., there are traits that can exist in child also, and he can understand and improve the traits. Now, physiological factors, it includes all the systems of the body. For good physical fitness and wellness, it is very important that all the systems of the body must work efficiently. That is, whatever system you take, the circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system, all this should work in proper coordination and in a healthy manner. Regular exercise, as you all know, to maintain fitness and wellness, it is very important for one to do exercise. Exercise is one of the most important factor which directly affects the fitness and wellness. Our body is like a machine. Efficiency of the body improves with regular exercise. If the exercise is not performed, then naturally the physical fitness is going to decrease. Now, training method or technique, that is the next thing that is affecting physical fitness. It is very important that training method should be scientific and proper according to the need and requirement of the individual. That means that entirely depends upon your physique. If you are not able to perform too much of activities, then don't go for it. Whatever your body is comfortable with it, apply it in a manner that your body is comfortable, it is not carrying any injury. Environmental conditions include the climatic conditions, temperature, altitude of the place, social and cultural factors. All these affect the physical fitness and wellness of the individual. The people working in good and pure environment, as well as the people who are giving importance to the exercise, physical fitness, etc., always their efficiency to do any work will be better. So for at your age, to improve your environmental conditions, you can go to a park, do the exercise there, get the fresh air, so that is going to provide energy to you. Now, balanced diet is very important for proper growth, repair and building new tissues of the body. Good diet helps in creating enough reserves in the body, and wrong eating habits like having the junk foods, whatever you have like pizzas, burgers, etc., all these are severely going to affect your physical fitness and illness right from this age. Now, sleep, rest and relaxation, as the term itself indicates, that these all things are necessary and there should be prescribed amount of sleep, rest and relaxation techniques like listening to music or playing some outdoor games, whatever things you think that can relax you. These all things are important to recharge your body. It is a natural thing that after having a sound sleep, you will feel yourself more energetic and active. Now, recreation means the activities which usually we perform. That is, for sometimes children might, as a recreation, they like meeting their friends, laughing, enjoying, cracking jokes, all these things. These are all can be called as techniques of recreation, because this will reduce your boredom, burden as well as your tension. And active and joyful recreational activities are always important for being fit and well. Now, posture is the position or pose of the body. It includes all the body position like standing, sitting, walking, reading, writing, etc. Good posture always improves your physical fitness. Nowadays we find that our grandparents or parents also complain that they are having spinal pain, or they are having neck pain, back pain, etc. Why all these things are taking place? Because the posture in which they are performing any activity is not proper. So as a result, later age, all these, maybe now you are not paying attention to posture, it is fine with you right now, but in the future what is going to happen, that is, this all is going to affect your spinal cord, your back, bones, etc. So bad posture or any deformity in the posture can lead to lower levels of physical fitness. So whenever you are reading, writing, sitting, you have to always see that your spinal cord is straight, that is, you are sitting in a straight posture. Now, intoxicants are actually the drugs or alcohol which usually people take. Some people have the habit of smoking. All these have a negative effect on the physical fitness and they adversely affect the health of the person. The intoxicants should never be used to maintain good health. That is, some people have the habit of taking steroids and all to develop the muscles, etc. But later on, you can see that these are going to cause a negative effect on the body. Now, standard of living is indirectly affecting physical fitness. A person who has got a good standard of living will have better physical fitness and wellness compared to people of low standard of living. Standard of living in here does not mean that you are spending money or you are buying all the brand items and all these things. This is not the standard of living. Standard of living means all these factors which we have discussed so far. You are paying a proper attention. That means you have brought your lifestyle to a proper standard so that you are physically fit and well. Now, stress and tension can be reduced by home conditions, social situations and vocational places. That is, you can go to visit places if you find that that will relieve your stress. You can discuss things with your parents, you can discuss things with your friends. All these will release the tension and stress. Tension becomes an obstacle in the performance if it is allowed to continue, and it can ultimately have a negative effect on your physical fitness. Sometimes a person will become very lean, sometimes the person becomes obese also because of the tension and stress. Now children, next class we will be discussing with the preventing health threats through lifestyle change. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.